Welcome to the launch of our video series, Data Act Unlocked. In this series, we provide a concise overview of the most important provisions of the EU Data Act. The regulation will apply in large parts as of September 12, 2025, and will have significant implications for companies that offer connected products, share data with other businesses, or provide or use cloud services. What is the Data Act? As part of the European Data Strategy, the European Union aims to unlock the potential of the data economy and strengthen Europe as a hub for innovation. A key objective is to promote and simplify the use of machine-generated data. The Data Act is a central pillar of this strategy. For the first time, it establishes rules governing access to and use of data generated through the use of IoT products and related services. In our video series, Data Act Unlocked, we provide concise episodes that break down the key provisions of the Data Act and highlight the aspects most relevant to businesses. We explain under what conditions companies will be allowed to use IoT data generated by users, what data access rights users and third parties will have, and how companies may be able to challenge or limit such access. We'll also take a closer look at how business-to-government data access will change under the new rules. We cover the new requirements for drafting data-related contracts introduced by the Data Act, with a special focus on content control. Another key topic in our series are the many new obligations for cloud service providers, especially the user switching rights newly introduced by the regulation. In addition, we'll explore the new rules on international data transfers. Finally, we explain how the Data Act will be enforced and what the implementation will look like. To wrap up, here are the key takeaways from the first episode of our new series, Data Act Unlocked. As part of the European Data Strategy, the Data Act is designed to make it easier to use IoT data by creating a unified framework for accessing and using such data. The new rules primarily affect data use in both B2C and B2B context, as well as data-related contract law. Businesses will need to adapt their data practices and contractual frameworks to ensure compliance with the new requirements. Cloud service providers face extensive changes, particularly regarding interoperability and data portability. In addition, international data transfers and business-to-government data access are being newly regulated. Over the coming weeks, our video series will provide you with a clear and concise overview of the key provisions of the Data Act, with a focus on what truly matters for businesses. We're glad to have you following our series Data Act Unlocked. For more insights, check out #CMSDataLaw or visit our website.